there is a strike for the Norwegian aircraft company SAS, and I got a feeling that this strike is about something else. So I'm thinking maybe they are the company which is left from the companies here in Norway, which is doing human trafficking of this one person. Because, you know, they are saying that they have some other intentions, and I have to fight them one by one. And one by one, I have seen them raising the gay flag. Like, yeah, you're right. This was about sexuality. Like, the gay flag is representing this white flag. And I am fully aware of the fact that I'm not doing this alone, but as of today, I think that I am the most powerful person on this planet. So I am a huge reason for what is happening. And this is not just happening in Norway, and it was this Russian event or something like that, where this one company was not participating in this event, and I got the feeling that was because they was still part of the criminal system.